Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Welcome to our channel guys. In this video we are going to discuss the latest job openings in Vellore location. So let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning faculty. It is from Time Institute. It is located in Vellore location, Tamil Nadu. For this, the qualification will be BE or BTech, ME or MTech or MSc in Mathematics. Tamil Nadu candidates will be given preference for this position. So, interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 7373755664. Next, there is a job opening for Network Associate position from Wonderworth Solutions. It is located in Vellore location, Tamil Nadu. This job position is posted on 23rd January 2021, and for this you should be having all these skills, that is basic technical knowledge of PCs and the technical knowledge of operating systems like Windows 7 or 8.1 or 10, basic knowledge of MS Outlook troubleshooting, internet and networking, good technical knowledge of hardware, software and switches and ADSL modem. So you need to have knowledge on all these skills, and freshers are 1 year candidates, 1 year of experienced candidates can able to apply for this job positions. Coming to education qualification, any graduates can apply for this job position. Please check with the all responsibilities needed for this job position, and we have provided here the address details. Interested candidates, you can walk in on and before 20 February 2021. Next, there are some vacancies from VIT University. They are hiring for the position of research associate. So it is located in Vellore location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 47,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. Freshers are as well as 2 years of experienced candidates, so both can be able to apply for this job position. Education qualification will be MPhil or PhD. Last date to apply for this job position is 10th February 2021. Selection will be based on either written exam or interview. So please check with the procedure to apply for this job position, or else for more detailed information you can visit this website and get detailed information about this job position. So there is a job vacancy for telecalling executive from Apollo Computer Education. It is located in Orcott location, Tamil Nadu. The candidate should have excellent communication skills and convincing power, should be fluency in English and Tamil languages, and should be able to work with the team, good at computers, female candidates only. Process associate, functional area marketing or advertising. You should be having knowledge on all these skills. For this job position, education qualification will be UG in any graduates in any specialization. So coming to responsibilities and duties, you should be responsible for making calls, handling inbound calls and follow up. Candidate should have good presentation and convincing skills. So these are the skills and the responsibilities needed for this job position. Please check with these ones, and interested candidates, you can contact them with the phone numbers. First one 9791571125, second one 9894243900. There is a job vacancy for sales executive position from Wide Angle, located in Vellore location, Tamil Nadu. Coming to responsibilities, you have to collect the details of the client and approach for the requirement, and get the requirement from client and follow up. To follow up the client and refill with stock, follow up with the inquiry, make the report and reporting to manager. So these are the responsibilities needed for this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact with the phone number, that is 8144099966. Next, there is a job opening for illustrator or CorelDRAW designer from Smart Brain Labs. It is located in Gandhinagar West, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 10,000 rupees per month. They are looking for fresh or experienced candidates. So you have to handle the software tools and techniques. The candidate should able to finish the work within the deadline at any cost without any excuses. Job timings will be 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. If a work takes extra time to finish, candidate supposed to stay late and finish it off that. So the primary work environment for this position is an office. So please check with the all details mentioned here for this job position. Interested candidates for any details about this job position, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9655526855. Next, there is a job vacancy for designer position from Draftna Web Solutions. It is located in Vellore location, Tamil Nadu. They are looking for a candidate from Vellore location. The candidate must have basic designing knowledge and minimum experience in promotion and web and mobile app designing. So interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9626814000. Next, there is a job vacancy for professor's position from Ganadipati Tulasi's Jain Engineering College. It is located in Vellore location, Tamil Nadu. They are hiring for a professor position in all these branches, that is civil engineering, computer science engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, information technology, master of computer applications, and master of business administration. So they are hiring for all these branches. The candidate should have done on specialization on embedded systems, VLSI design, communications, or networking. The candidate should have done PhD with 10 years of experience in teaching or industry or research. Salary is dependent as per as AICTE norms. Higher salary will also be considered, commensurate with the qualifications and experience. Interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for associate professor position from Ganadipati Tulasi's Jain Engineering College for all these respective branches. Please check with this. For this job position, education qualification will be PhD or ME or MCA or MBA with 7 years of experience in teaching or industry or research. Salary is as per as AICTE norms. Higher salary will also be provided depending on the qualification and experience. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the email ID, or else you can send your resume to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job vacancy from Prabhas VK Health Clinic Private Limited. They are hiring for a doctor position located in Vellore location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, honor the clients and ready to provide the best consultation, taking the ownership related to the treatment of clients, ensure hygienic ambience of the branch, ensure client gets proper results, ensure proper follow-ups are done in a regular basis, ensure the execution of treatment by the therapist which are as per as SOPs, responsible for handling problem of the clients in a highly professional manner, ensuring the safe keeping of medical equipment, products, company valuables, and assets, responsible for regular client satisfaction. So, these are all the responsibilities needed for the job position. Interested candidates, for further details, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 7397778335. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and mostly encourage us to do more videos on your location. Thank you for watching the video.